Coming up, I'm going to share with you the single best tip that I can give you to help you increase your App Store rankings. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com. I'm coming at you a little bit sick. My voice is a little bit gone, but I asked my wife if this is still okay to record, and she said, baby, you sound sexy. So I'm here recording just for you. But today I want to talk about the single best tip that I can give you from an ASO perspective to help you increase your App Store rankings. And if you're new to the space or you've been around, well, you know it is going to be focusing your best keywords on your app title. You got to focus on your app title. That is it. All right. You want the most relevant keywords, the most highly trafficked keywords that you can possibly get into the top 10 in that title. Now, if a keyword's a little bit too competitive, you're going to have to try to find one that you can rank in the top 10. Otherwise, it might not be worth it. So if you're focusing on meditation, try to find something similar or a long tail keyword that you can rank for in the top 10. If you're not familiar with the Spanish Mexico trick, well, you know that the US App Store indexes the Spanish Mexico localization so that if you use English keywords in your Spanish Mexico title, you're able to rank them really high. I did a case study where I repeated the words in the US subtitle and again in the Spanish Mexico title, and that helped increase my rankings. So you want your number one keyword in the US app title, and you want your second best keyword in the US subtitle along with the Spanish Mexico title. Now, everybody's gonna watch this video and know these hacks. So how do you get the level up on your competition? So I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. The next thing after optimizing your title is to really focus on those App Store ratings. These are really, really important. Just getting the stars alone, a lot of stars for your apps, a lot of ratings, it's gonna really help those keywords that you've already optimized increase its rank. In my previous video, I showed you how important App Store rankings were when I went from 84 to the top 10 for one of my keywords by just optimizing my title. Now, I believe that I would have only gone up that high because I had so many ratings for my app. As a brand new app, I think it's gonna be a little bit harder. Although I've tried different hacks to see if it works, and it actually does work for apps under 100 ratings, but still, they have a little bit of ratings in there already. All right, guys, simple, short, and sweet, because it is just the one tip that you can use to really help increase your App Store rankings. I'm going to link some of those videos that I mentioned at the end of these videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you're enjoying these videos despite my raspy voice, maybe you like my raspy voice a little bit more than my normal voice, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. That's what everybody asks for, so make sure you do that. All right, guys. Till then, I'm going to try to rest my voice, and hopefully in the next video, I'll have it back. But I'll see you on the next video. See ya. Check out the video on how App Store ratings affect your rankings by clicking on the top video. And if you want to learn more advanced ASO techniques, click on the bottom video right there. I wish I could come back and say, I was just kidding about the raspy voice. But unfortunately, I'm not. It really does exist. That's how I sound right now. Help me.